Hi, I'm Danny. If you've been wondering how you can create an awesome Facebook cover to use on your personal Facebook site or a business site or group, I am going to show you how to do that in Canva. So I'm at the Canva home screen, and all I need to do is click on the big purple button in the upper right-hand corner, create a design. I am going to tell it that I would like a Facebook, let's have it in there. Facebook cover. And it takes me right away to my workspace. Now, you can create one from scratch, or you can use one of these templates that are within Canva. And so let's just say I want to do one for real estate marketing. Enter. And let's see what pops up. That is real estate. So you can see I've got a bunch of different options. I'm going to go back to marketing. I'm just going to pick this one. So I am going to now come into the image, and I'm going to start editing. So I'm going to call this lead generation for real estate. And then you can see there's some text underneath. So all I'm going to do is slide this out of the way for a second, click on that and delete it. Then I'm going to come up here and center that text so that it's in this box. I don't really want a black box, so all I do is come up here and click on color, and I'm going to use one of my brand colors, something a little more bright. And let's say I want to leave this, but maybe I want to slide this over, so I can do that slightly. I don't really like the service tab, so I'm going to get that out of here just by clicking on these and hitting the trash can. All right, so now I've got this, and I'm actually going to slide this over here. And then I'm going to add my, actually I'm going to go like this. Then I'm going to add a photo. Before I do that, I'm going to go up to the Elements tab, and I'm going to click on Frame. I want to add a photo frame, and I can pick one of these different styles. So let's say I want to use this one, and I can put this down in the corner, or I'll just kind of put it right there. Then I can come over here and pick any image I want. So for this purpose, I'm going to click on this photo, and I'm just going to slide it over, and you can see it snapped to the shape. Now, if I want to remove that background, all I do is highlight the photo, and when it's highlighted, you'll see these little handles, and all I did was click on it, come up to Edit Image, hit the background remover, which is only available in Canva Pro, so be aware of that. And now you can see I've got an image with the glasses and the watch in the background. So if I want to further edit that, I'm going to come up and click Edit Image. If I want to add a glow around me, I clicked on the glow button, and then I can adjust the glow. Now it looks like I'm floating in space. So I'm going to bring this image like this so that it doesn't look like I'm just floating. I can blur this, and I can increase the darkness. Once I have that done, I just click on the Apply button. And now I have a Facebook banner that I'm happy with that I can upload to Facebook. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to say Facebook banner, lead gen real estate. You can date it if you want, however you choose to do it. I can save this into a folder, click Save. And then I'm going to go ahead and download this. Once it's downloaded, then I can upload that into my Facebook. So all I do is come here. I already have this existing banner, but I'm going to click edit and I'm going to say upload a photo. Here's my Facebook banner. And there you go. I'm going to save changes. And then I'm going to go view my page and I can see that it shows up and it looks very nice. So that is how you create a Facebook banner and get it uploaded to your Facebook account. I hope that you found this super helpful and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.